Hello friends. Welcome to Easy English Conversations. Today's video is a simple and useful conversation between a taxi driver and a passenger. You will learn how to ask for a ride, talk about time, traffic, and taxi fare, all in easy English, perfect for beginners and English learners who travel or want real-life speaking practice. Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence. Let's begin.
Hello. Are you free? Hello. Are you free?
Yes, sir. Where would you like to go? Yes, sir. Where would you like to go?
I want to go to the airport, please. I want to go to the airport, please.
Sure, sir. Please get in. Sure, sir. Please get in.
Thank you. How long will it take? Thank you. How long will it take?
Around 30 minutes, sir. But it depends on traffic. Around 30 minutes, sir. But it depends on traffic.
Okay, no problem. Please drive safely. Okay, no problem. Please drive safely.
Of course, sir. Do you have a flight today? Of course, sir. Do you have a flight today?
Yes. My flight is at 5 o'clock. Yes. My flight is at 5 o'clock.
Then we have enough time. What time is it now? Then we have enough time. What time is it now?
It's 3:45 p.m. It's 3:45 p.m.
Great. You'll reach on time. Great. You'll reach on time.
Do you go to the airport often? Do you go to the airport often?
Yes, many times a day. I know the best route. Yes, many times a day. I know the best route.
That's good. Is the traffic heavy today? That's good. Is the traffic heavy today?
Not very heavy, but a little slow near the city center. Not very heavy, but a little slow near the city center.
Okay. I'm glad I left early. Okay. I'm glad I left early.
Yes, sir. It's always better to leave early for the airport. Yes, sir. It's always better to leave early for the airport.
By the way, is your taxi meter working? By the way, is your taxi meter working?
Yes, sir. It's running now. You can check it anytime. Yes, sir. It's running now. You can check it anytime.
Great. I don't like bargaining. Great. I don't like bargaining.
Huh, me too. I always use the meter. Huh, me too. I always use the meter.
That's good. How long have you been a taxi driver? That's good. How long have you been a taxi driver?
About 10 years now. I enjoy meeting new people. About 10 years now. I enjoy meeting new people.
That's nice. You must know many places in the city. That's nice. You must know many places in the city.
Yes, I can take you anywhere, just say the name. Yes, I can take you anywhere, just say the name.
I'll call you next time I visit. I'll call you next time I visit.
You are always welcome, sir. Here's my card. You are always welcome, sir. Here's my card.
Thank you. I'll save your number. Thank you. I'll save your number.
We're almost at the airport now. We're almost at the airport now.
Yes, I can see the signboard. How much is the fare? Yes, I can see the signboard. How much is the fare?
It's 600 rupees, sir. It's 600 rupees, sir.
Okay, here you go. Please keep the change. Okay, here you go. Please keep the change.
Thank you very much, sir. Have a safe flight. Thank you very much, sir. Have a safe flight.
Thanks. Take care and drive safe. Thanks. Take care and drive safe.
Great job, friends. You finished the conversation. Now you know how to talk to a taxi driver in simple English. Practice this conversation again to build your speaking skills. Watch, repeat, and speak with confidence. Like this video if it helped you. Comment below. Where do you want to go in a taxi? Don't forget to subscribe for more beginner English videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.